video, Kicks for Fresh, also known as K Fresh, and I am so excited because I am coming to you with my first video on my channel. So if you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe, like, and then also comment below if you stick around with me today. But honestly, really this page is just to showcase my love for sneakers. Yes, ladies love sneakers too. I really want to just sit and talk about my latest cop, which we're going to get into it, but obviously by the title of this video, you know what shoes I'm about to show you. So I might be a little late to the game, but I just caught mine today because I was not able to get them on the app. I live in St. Louis, Missouri, for anybody who's interested in knowing. So I did not have a chance to get out until today because, you know, I did some Black Friday shopping and I just really was going to pass up on these shoes. And then I decided, you know, let me go ahead and get them because I'm literally not going to get the breads. I'm going to try. So this is about as close as I can get to the breads. But anyway, so what I have for you today is the Air Jordan 1 Bloodline. If you're a sneakerhead, obviously you know the significance of these shoes. Honestly, I do feel like people really slept on them and they really wasn't copping them like I thought they would. But to be honest, this is my first pair of Air Jordan 1s. I don't recall ever getting any 1s. I used to be a really big fan of dunks, and so, you know, it's kind of like the Air Jordan 1s, excuse me, but it really just brought back a lot of memories because I used to collect shoes back when I was in middle school and high school. I can thank my dad for that because I'm a daddy's girl and he had all the shoes, and so I was like, Dad, let me get them Allen Iversons. Dad, let me get them 3s, you know, all those things. And so shout out to my dad for that. But anyway, I'm not going to keep you all too long because I know y'all want to see the shoes. So as you can see here, these are the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. Black, gem red, white is the colorway. Dope. Honestly though, my favorite color, the combination is always the red, the white, and the black. I have so many red, white, black shoes. Sometimes I throw a little blue in there because I went to the University of Kansas, Rock Chalk Jayhawk. But I did get a size 9 in men's. I did try these shoes on. I usually wear 8.5, but I went ahead and went and got the 9s. I just got lucky, to be honest. So as you can see, this is the shoes. So excited. I haven't even looked at them, but we'll see. Oh man, he's nice. I'm telling you, people is really sleeping on him. He got him in here tight. He's doing him in here tight. So here they are. Air Force One. Sorry. Here they are. The Air Jordan 1 Bloodlines. Man, you know, I really haven't had, like I said, I haven't had any 1s in a while. So I really never had any of these. So to be honest with you, these are dope. Like I tried them on in the store really quickly. I love the red bottom. I love that. Like that's my favorite part, I think, of the shoe. You know, a lot of people really ain't doing the red laces, but they did come with the black laces, and then they have Who Said Man Was Not Meant to Fly. I might throw them laces on there for the on feet. In the inside, it does say, again, who said man was not meant to fly? Women may fly too, I'm just saying. But I really love these shoes. With these being my first Air Jordan 1s, I definitely adore them. One of the things that I think I like most about it is really just the red in there. I think people don't really talk about that a lot, but sometimes you can't really pull off a all red shoe. So for me, it's like having the black in there and then the little hints of the red is dope. That's really all I need. Especially if I'm wearing this fit with it, like it's nothing. I do really like also the tongue. You know, this is dope. Like it's not a lot of white because sometimes, you know, you wear shoes 1-2 times and next you know you got like a whole scratch mark. The leather on these is butter smooth, so shout out to everybody who was involved in making this shoe back in the day. Obviously has the Air Jordan. That's dope. It's like, I don't know what you call it, embossed in there, but that's dope. So Also come with the white laces. My bad. Come with the white laces, which got the Jumpman on there. I think that's dope. Jumpman on. You can't even see that. Jumpman on there. That's dope. I'm gonna go ahead and take the other one out. These are the ones that's not been laced up yet. But as you can see, these mugs is fresh, bro. Like, for these being my first ones, I am completely pleased with my cop today. You know, as you can see, these, they say, I don't even know how to read this. Tell me what this is supposed to mean, y'all. It says 8.5 to 10, so I'm guessing that this is what's supposed to go inside the shoe. And then I'm kind of salty though, because the other one is missing. Because like I said, I took the last pair. These are the 9s. These were up on the display case. So I know that it was meant to be, because I'm like, again, I'm not going to get those breads. Like, I'm gonna go ahead and press a little button on the sneakers app and see if I can get those. But if not, I'm completely pleased with my cop. So a little bit of some storytelling, I guess you can say. Like I said, my dad was very instrumental in my first love with shoes. I am a daddy's girl. I love my mama too, but it's just like I would hang out with my dad all the time. I was his first child, so you know, I would always hang out with him and kind of do what he did. And he always used to play basketball like every Saturday, and so I would just go hang out with him and watch him play basketball. So I didn't see him hooping like all the Jordans. I swear, like all 14 of the bad boys. Well, the number Jordans, obviously. So I'm like, you know, it really kind of like comes full circle, because now I kind of see probably how he felt when he first got, you know, the ones, or shoot, if he copped the 11s, because nowadays, like, the 11s is not what you want. Like, you're not getting them 11s unless you a whole sneakerhead and somebody's sending them to you, or you got a plug. But, you know, it's cool, because I'm going to get some one day. But anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and try these on, because, you know, like I said, I tried them on in the store, but I really didn't get a chance to really, like, look at them. I wanted to wait to this moment. But put them together. I don't like the fact that one of them's laced and one of them's not. It's making it, like, real ugly. Got these. They really look small on my feet for me to wear a 9 in men's. But to be honest, like, they don't look big on my feet, and I'm gonna show you what they look like in a minute. But who copped these? Who dropped these? Because some people, they want to put their head in for like the hypest shoes, or the shoes that, you know, got so much talk and whatever. But to me, I like what I like, and I knew like I was gonna sleep on these. And then I was like, you know what, I was gonna get the Air Force One Shadows, the women's, but I decided not to get those because I knew them was gonna sit. So I'm like, I'm gonna go ahead and spend this $160 retail on these shoes. They just, I can't even like explain it. Like, it's cool to be able to do this, because there was once upon a time where I was not able to afford sneakers. So now that I got it, I did not go broke for these shoes. It was like nothing to me. It's really just a blessing. But I actually bought this shirt at the Nike outlet on Black Friday, which was like, what's today? Saturday? Yesterday? I bought this shirt yesterday. And I didn't even know that I was going to cop these. So it's kind of cool, because now I got me a whole fit. I can rock this next weekend. Right now it's like raining and stuff in St. Louis, and I'm like, I'm not with that. Like, I'm not pulling on my sneakers. I pull on my same all black Air Max 270s every time it rains, because I'm not messing up no shoes. But, you know, for real though, I'm just, you know, hoping y'all gonna stick with me on this journey. Like I said, I used to love shoes. They called me K Fresh for a reason. I got that name in college because I kept a fresh pair of shoes. Like, you never saw me without. Like, I love Adidas Shell Toes, Air Force Ones. Believe it or not, sometimes I rock the Pumas. Right now, the Cali Bold is my shoe. Let me see what else shoes I wore. I really wasn't into Converse. I don't own a pair of Converse, which is actually weird. I used to. I gave the pair to my mom, but I got them from my cousin, so I never even purchased the shoes myself. And then right now, I've been kind of on this Vans kick, but I know Vans ain't really hype for real. Like, there's some that's hype. Like, I'm trying to get the yacht clubs, but I'm not trying to spend like, they like $1.95 on StockX, so I'm gonna hold off on those. But Just want to show y'all how dope these shoes are, bro. All right, y'all, so y'all have made it to the end of this video. Please make sure to subscribe, like, and comment below. Which shoes should I cop next? I am so interested in hearing from you all. What's hype, what's different, what's just a essential shoe that you should always have in your closet as a sneakerhead. Please just make sure to engage with me because I want to make this experience as fun and as cool and as popping as humanly possible. But thanks so much again, and I look forward to seeing you on another vlog. Peace.